Hello and welcome to this deep dive into one of the most fascinating concepts within the Law of One and many other spiritual teachings, the transition from third density to fourth density. In this video, we're going to explore what exactly these densities are, why humanity is said to be on the cusp of a profound shift in consciousness, and how we can each prepare ourselves for the changes on the horizon. This exploration is meant to be both inspiring and practical, so whether you're completely new to these concepts or already well-versed, I invite you to step into this space with an open mind and heart. Let's begin by clarifying what densities refer to. In the Law of One, density is a term that points to levels of consciousness or dimensions of existence. The progression goes from first density, elements like earth, water, fire, air, up to higher densities where consciousness becomes increasingly aware of the oneness of all things. Third density, which is where humans have been operating for millennia, is characterized by self-awareness, choice, and the strong presence of an ego-based sense of identity. It's where beings first grapple with questions of morality, ethics, and service to self versus service to others. It's the plane of learning lessons about love, individuation, and personal responsibility, often under a veil that prevents most humans from remembering prior lifetimes or the unity of all consciousness. Fourth density, however, is often called the density of love or understanding. It's said to be a realm in which the veil becomes thinner and souls become much more attuned to the inherent unity of all life. Compassion, empathy, and heartfelt connection take center stage, and service to others becomes a way of being rather than an occasional choice. Many traditions and channeled materials suggest that Earth is now transitioning from a third density environment to a fourth density one, a process that can be felt as an acceleration of personal growth, spiritual awakenings, and sometimes societal friction. But what does this shift really entail? On a collective level, we may see society grappling with polarizing issues more intensely than ever. People's core beliefs and values are being tested, and in many cases, shaken to their foundations. This intensification occurs because, as we move into higher frequency vibrations collectively, anything that has remained hidden, fear, anger, injustice, inequality, will come to the surface for healing or transformation. It can be a turbulent process, and it's not always comfortable. If you look around at the world today, you might see an increase in social movements, people calling for systemic change, and urgent conversations about equality and sustainability. From a higher perspective, these are the birth pangs of a new era of expanded consciousness. Now, on a personal level, you might notice changes in your own thought processes. Perhaps you're experiencing more synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that feel like little nudges from the universe. You might find yourself less satisfied with superficial pursuits and more drawn to living in alignment with your authentic self. Old wounds and traumas could rise to the surface, demanding your compassion and integration. You might also discover an increased sensitivity to energy, whether it's the emotional energy of a room or your own intuitive hunches. These are all signs that you're beginning to attune to fourth density frequencies. It's important to remember that fourth density isn't just about good vibes and positivity, though it does emphasize harmony and unity. The transition is a deep collective healing process. As more and more souls awaken to higher consciousness, the collective shadow, the unhealed aspects of our shared human psyche, comes into view. This is why it can seem like we're seeing more chaos or negativity in the news or on social media. We're collectively confronting that which was once swept under the rug. While it may feel disheartening, it's actually a sign that the light is shining brighter, illuminating the shadows so we can transform them. So, if we're stepping into a more love-based reality, how do we practically prepare ourselves for this shift? First and foremost, self-awareness is key. You can't navigate transformation effectively without recognizing and honoring what's happening inside you. Spend a little time each day in reflection, meditation, prayer, or any contemplative practice that quiets the mental chatter and helps you tune in. Ask yourself, where is my heart guiding me? What patterns in my life are ready to be released? Where might I be clinging to fear or limitation? The second important practice is self-compassion. As you awaken to deeper truths, you might realize you've been carrying heavy baggage, old resentments, self-judgment, limiting beliefs. The shift from third to fourth density is an invitation to forgive yourself and others, to let go of harmful stories, and to embrace the possibility that every moment can be a fresh start. True compassion often begins with yourself. When you stop beating yourself up for past mistakes, you create space to extend that same grace to others. Another vital step is learning to discern your true values. Fourth density is about unity, so it's beneficial to explore how you can embody the principle of oneness in daily life. This could mean small acts of kindness, being more transparent and authentic in relationships, or perhaps advocating for causes that align with your heartfelt convictions. As you do this, be mindful that authenticity doesn't mean perfection. We're all works in progress, learning to reflect more of that divine love that resides within us. Beyond your personal journey, the shift also calls for community. In a fourth density paradigm, relationships and community take on a heightened importance. This doesn't imply you have to be part of a particular spiritual group, but it does point toward the value of connection. Find or create communities, online or in person, where you feel safe to explore these concepts, share your experiences, and learn from others. The synergy of like-minded individuals amplifies everyone's growth. Think of it like lighting a series of candles. When we come together, we shine brighter than the sum of our individual flames. That said, it's equally important to practice discernment. Not everyone who speaks of higher consciousness is necessarily coming from a place of integrity. As we move into more transparent and heart-centered energies, it becomes easier to sense authenticity and also to sense misalignment. Trust your inner guidance. If something feels off to you, step back and reconnect with your intuition. The shift to fourth density is a transition from external authority to inner authority. You are your own best guide, especially if you cultivate a quiet mind and an open heart. As for social changes, expect more emphasis on cooperation over competition. The old third density paradigms, which often revolve around power struggles and hierarchical control, may continue to clash with these emerging values. This friction can manifest in political upheaval, economic restructuring, and the re-evaluation of how we treat the environment. We're already seeing movements toward renewable energy, sustainable communities, and more egalitarian social systems. While the path forward might appear messy, these shifts are signs that humanity is aligning more with compassion and the recognition that we're all interconnected. In a higher density perspective, harming the planet or another being is ultimately harming ourselves. This shift also implies a re-evaluation of success. In third density, success has often been tied to external markers like wealth, status, or power. In the emerging fourth density mindset, success becomes more about alignment with our core values, emotional well-being, authenticity, and service to others. Material abundance isn't demonized, but it's put into perspective as one of many tools we can use to foster collective well-being, rather than a goal in and of itself. People are increasingly craving purpose over paychecks. This transformation in collective values might feel slow at times, but the undercurrent of change is unmistakable. On a deeper spiritual level, people who are sensitive to energy may feel an overall vibrational increase. Some individuals describe this as an internal hum or a quickening. Meditation or other spiritual practices might become more profound or reveal insights more rapidly. You could find yourself drawn to explore holistic wellness, plant-based diets, or forms of healing that integrate mind, body, and spirit. Even individuals who don't consider themselves spiritual might report feeling more empathy, interconnectedness, or simply a sense that something bigger is happening in the world. If you ever feel overwhelmed by these changes, remember that integration is a process. It's okay to feel out of sorts, anxious, or uncertain at times. The consciousness shift doesn't happen overnight for most people. Our old third-density programming can be deeply ingrained, and unraveling it requires patience. In those moments of confusion or heaviness, grounding practices can be a lifeline. Walk in nature, practice breathwork, dance, journal. Whatever brings you back into balance and helps you feel connected to your body and to the earth. Also, keep in mind that not everyone is going to resonate with the concept of moving into fourth density. Some may scoff at the idea, while others may actively resist these shifts. That's part of the free will dynamic in this universe. Even so, your task isn't to convert or convince anyone. It's to embody the qualities of love, understanding, and unity within your own life. By doing that, you become a living example, an energetic beacon that can spark curiosity and inspiration in those who are ready to awaken in their own time. To wrap it all up, the transition from third density to fourth density is a profound collective event that is shaping our world both internally and externally. We may see societal structures changing, values evolving, and new forms of community arising. On a personal level, we're challenged to let go of old limiting beliefs, heal emotional wounds, and step into greater empathy and authenticity. It can be a bumpy road, filled with moments of doubt and upheaval. Yet at its heart, this shift is an invitation to recognize that we are more than isolated individuals. We are unique expressions of a shared, divine essence, learning how to love and co-create in harmony. If you take anything away from this conversation, let it be this: you have a vital role to play in this unfolding process. Your consciousness matters. Your decisions matter. The way you treat yourself, your loved ones, and the planet matters. Each act of kindness, each moment of awareness, each decision to choose love over fear, these are the building blocks of the new reality. We're not simply waiting for the world to change. We are the ones changing it from the inside out.